What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. Now, if this is your first time here, man, I appreciate you for stopping by. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, man. Join the freaking Flyers Club. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content. And last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over to IG, give me a follow. Let's interact on there as well. Now, let's get right into it, man. Y'all clicked on this video. Y'all seen the title, thumbnail, all that good stuff, man. Y'all here for one reason, and let's talk about it, man. As you can see, this is a Jordan 1 box, but with a new flip, a new touch to it. All white box, metallic gold hits going all the way around the box, all the Nike hits. And then the tag on this joint reads, Women's Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, white and metallic gold. This is a 13.5 women's, size 12, man. So I was able to secure a personal size, man. This is a kind of early pair. These joints shock dropped, I think last week on sneakers. Got them in today on Tuesday, man. Let's check them out. Now, on the inside of the box, man, it does have like the white, kind of translucent paper with the gold metallic jump in here going all the way across the paper. Really nice touch on the packaging, man. Just flows well with the box and with the shoe overall. And let's check out the shoes. Now, here we have the Air Jordan 1 High OG and the metallic gold colorway, man. This is a women's pair, like I mentioned earlier. All white and gold all the way around. Right off the rip, man, as soon as I opened the box, I just seen how good the leather was. Really nice material, man. Let's check out these details and see how you guys are feeling about them. Now, starting with the front of the shoe, man, this toe box combination of tumbled white leather all throughout the upper. And when I say tumbled, man, I really mean tumbled. This looks like a pair of like 2013 88 white cement threes, man. Really nice tumble on this white leather, man. Some really nice material there. Getting to the side of the shoe, man, white tumble panels going all the way across the side of the shoe. Has that nice metallic gold swoosh. The metallic gold is going across the ankle collar, and the metallic gold going across the Air Jordan Wings logo, man. Really nice touch there. Getting to the back of the shoe, man. Pure white. Got the white tumble going across the back. Got the gold hits from where the swooshes connect to the back of the shoe. And it still has those gold hits going across the ankle collar. Same thing on the inside of the shoe, man. Some really nice tumbled white leather on every panel. Gold across the top, gold across the swoosh. And back to the front of the shoe, man. Now, as you can see, these joints come factory installed with white laces, pure white tongue, and it does have the white tongue tag with the gold Nike Air weaved into that joint, man. Really nice touch there. And getting a good look at that interior, man, it's a really nice, smooth, metallic satin gold, man. Nice touch. This is a women's shoe. They do tend to always kind of only give the satin to the women's shoes. The only one that was a men's shoe that I personally remember, other than the satin bridge and the satin royals, of course, super limited. But a lady may use some satin on her shadows as well. And that was a men's sizing shoe. But other than that, man, most of the time when you see satin, it is a women's shoe. And this is another one, but they did do extended sizes for all of the guys, man. Big feet gang, all the way to small feet gang. You can grab these joints. Now, this joint does have an all-white insole with the metallic gold pressed on, man. Fitting with the colorway, man. White and gold, everything. Now, get into that midsole, man. Pure white midsole, pure white stitching going all the way across. And on the outsole, they went with a slightly translucent gum bottom. It really matches the gold hits, man. It's a really dope touch to finish off this white and gold shoe. I'm not sure why they didn't go with a pure gold bottom or like a solid gold bottom, but I do like the gum touch and I like the translucent aspect of the gum bottom, man. Nice touch on these. But leave me a quick comment down below, man. Let me know how you guys are feeling about these joints so far. Now let's check out that right shoe and the extra accessories. Now getting into the right shoe, man, it's the same as the left. You can see it has that super tumble white leather going all the way across the entire upper of the shoe. Has the gold hit there on the swoosh and on the upper ankle collar. Pure metallic gold going across that Air Jordan logo with the wings. Nice tumble leather. I keep saying that, man, but really nice tumble leather going across the back of the shoe. White and gold hits all the way around. And nice tumble leather goes all the way across the inside of the shoe as well. And back to the front. White laces factory installed. And this joint did come with like a gold keychain accessory. Says Nike Air, man. Really nice touch there. I always like when they throw in the extras. Now, this is a women's shoe, like I said, so they did give them like this gold piece. You definitely could rock this joint like a keychain or something, or throw it on a necklace. I'll probably throw this joint on a necklace and rock it like that, man. It's a really nice piece. Nice yellow gold, man. It really matches the shoe. But pure white going across that tongue, man. White on the tongue tag with the gold Nike Air weaved in. Nice satin gold insides on the guts, man. Really nice touch on these, man. Now, I did mention these joints came with white laces factory installed, but they also came with gold laces and like the new Move to Zero boxes. And this is like a shiny, like kind of satin looking gold on here, man. Nice materials for sure. Really matches that satin going across the inside of the tongue. A different material from what we usually see on laces, but this metallic gold, it gives like a nice shine to it, a nice smooth pattern on there. Really nice touch on these gold laces. Now, as I mentioned earlier, man, I was able to grab these joints off the Sneakers app on their shock drop last week. I believe that was on the 2nd they did the shock drop. The official release date isn't until Valentine's Day, February 14th. Women's shoe for Valentine's Day. That's my thought process behind why they're releasing these joints on that day. Not really a Valentine's color, but a women's shoe nonetheless. Now, price on these joints is 180 bucks, like 195 out the door with tax. And as far as resale, man, the bigger man sizes, like 10 and a half, 11 and up, those are going for like 200 to 250. But everything women's size, 11 and a half on down, man, is way under retail, 150, 160 and under. So this joint will be super affordable. I wouldn't rush out to pay retail price on these, especially if you're in that women's size. Men, these might be kind of limited in our size. I'm not sure how many big sizes these stores will get, but as far as the smaller sizes, any women's size, I will wait and just try to grab them on sale or use a coupon for them, because you'll definitely be able to get them for the low. But like I said earlier on the men's sizes, man, they're up there now. When that release day come, I definitely expect it to drop, man. This isn't just a super sought after shoe. Is it clean? Absolutely, but I don't think it's necessary, man. But definitely a clean shoe, white and gold, man. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys are willing to spend on these joints. Now, as far as quality and quality control, man, A1 quality on this shoe, man. The leather is A1 perfect material. No flaws or anything like that. This is like the quality of shattered backboards, 2016 Breads, 2017 Royals. This is a really, really good shoe, and I'm standing on that material-wise. This is up there with the best of the Jordan 1s. Really, really nice soft tumble leather on these, but with it being such an unpopular colorway, a super mute with the white shoe. Nice gold hits, but I don't think this joint will go over well and be super high priced. But as far as material, quality control, Jordan brand, Nike, y'all did y'all thing on these. But overall, man, just about wraps it up for this video. Just want to give you guys a quick unboxing and review of this metallic gold women's Air Jordan 1 High. Leave me a comment down below, man. Let me know how you guys are feeling about these. Are you looking to cop them? Are you looking to pick these up? Just let me know. Is it a cop? Is it a drop? Are you dripping, flipping, skipping, man? Let me know. Leave a comment down below. I really want to hear how you guys feel about these, man. Super nice pair. Really, really great quality, man. It didn't skimp out at all, man. But not a popular color, man. Y'all leave a comment down below. Let me know how you guys are feeling about these joints. But like I said, man, that's gonna wrap it up for this one. Until next time on the next video, we got the metallic gold women's Air Jordan 1 High, man. Peace.